Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. Regulatory signs are usually blank and should always be obeyed. A. Blue. B. White. C. Red. The correct answer is B. Question 2. What are the 4 steps to safely completing a turn? A. Slow, look, press, and roll. B. Slow, shift, look, and lurch. C. Press, lean, turn, and grip. The correct answer is A. Question 3. In general, when riding at night, your headlight should A. Not be used. B. Be used on its high beam setting. C. Be used on its low beam setting. The correct answer is B. Question 4. When approaching a steady green traffic light, riders should A. Continue riding, unless there are vehicles or pedestrians already in the intersection. B. Stop if a police officer is nearby. C. Treat the intersection like a 4-way stop. The correct answer is A. Question 5. To legally operate a motorcycle or motor-driven bicycle, you must have a. Class C license. B. Class A license. C. Class M license. The correct answer is C. Question 6. When approaching a traffic signal displaying a flashing yellow arrow, riders A. Should merge into a lane in the direction of the arrow. B. Should come to a complete stop. C. May turn left after yielding to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. The correct answer is C. Question 7. When approaching an intersection controlled by a steady yellow arrow, riders A. Should merge into a lane in the direction of the arrow. B. Should slow to a stop, if it is safe to do so. C. May turn left after yielding to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. The correct answer is B. Question 8. When riding blank, you are facing the greatest potential for conflict between you and other vehicles. A. On the expressway. B. Near an intersection. C. In a group. The correct answer is B. Question 9. If no traffic is present when you are taking a curve, it is a good idea to start A. On the outside of the curve. B. On the inside of the curve. C. Near the edge of the curve. The correct answer is A. Question 10. A good way to handle a tailgater is to A. Encourage the tailgater to pass by slowing down or changing lanes. B. Speed up to put distance between you and the tailgater. C. Ignore the tailgater. The correct answer is A. Question 11. The best way to stop quickly is to A. Use only your front brake. B. Use only your rear brake. C. Use both brakes at the same time. The correct answer is C. Question 12. Passengers should A. Look over their shoulder when taking a turn or curve. B. Never hold onto the rider. C. Sit as far back as possible. The correct answer is A. Question 13. When a lead rider is bending their left arm at the elbow, pointing upward, and swinging their arm toward their helmet, it means A. Speed up. B. Pull over. C. Hazard in the roadway. The correct answer is B. Question 14. Eye protection is A. Required for all riders. B. Not required, but recommended. C. Only required for inexperienced motorcycle users. The correct answer is A. Question 15. This sign means A. No U-turn. B. No left turn. C. No right turn. The correct answer is C. Question 16. Passengers should A. Hold on to the rider's hips, waist, or belt. B. Never hold on to the rider. C. Not lean into any turn. The correct answer is A. Question 17. If your front wheel locks while you are braking, you should A. Keep the tire locked up, as it will help you stop more quickly. B. Release the front brake and only use the rear brake. C. Release the front brake immediately and reapply it. The correct answer is C. Question 18. If you began a curve on the outside and no traffic is present when you are exiting the curve, you should move A. Toward the center of the curve. B. Toward the inside of the curve. C. Toward the outside of the curve. The correct answer is C. Question 19. Larger vehicles have A. Smaller blind spots. B. Larger blind spots. C. The same blind spots as smaller vehicles. The correct answer is B. Question 20. While accelerating a motorcycle with a sidecar, you should A. Steer straight ahead. B. Steer slightly in the direction of the sidecar. C. Steer slightly in the direction opposite the sidecar. The correct answer is C.